Science has progressed in ways that are unimaginable, from developing an artificial brain to leaving the boundaries of our blue planet. But as times change, so does our lifespan. The food that we eat isn't enough organically thanks to increasing population. So there are genetically modified organisms, or GMO, but introducing them to our biological systems might not be as healthy as organic organism. Would it have any sort of side effects? Because even though we might not want to have them in our kitchen, we never know where our groceries come from. Watch ahead to see if these GMOs are a threat to our health or not. Plant engineers utilize genetically modified organisms, GMOs, to enhance the taste, nutritional value, and resilience of crops. It means you can add protein to potatoes, essentially making a potato a balanced diet. However, the safety of GMOs remains a subject of concern, leading to extensive debates on their merits and drawbacks. GMO foods are created by introducing genetic material or DNA from one organism into another through genetic engineering. Most GMO foods available today consist of plant-based products, including fruits and vegetables. In the United States, the Food and Drug Administration (FDA) serves as a regulatory authority for genetically engineered plants, imposing the same safety standards as non-GMO foods. But it solves a great problem. Looking at the population of the world and the growing rate, Earth could soon be a planet struck by famine. GMO crops are expected to play a crucial role in addressing the global challenge of feeding a growing population, particularly in regions with harsh climates. When it comes to food, manufacturers have found a way to harness the power of genetic modification to create crops with desirable traits. GMOs offer a range of potential advantages that can make a real difference in our lives. For instance, they can make fruits like apples and potatoes likely less to bruise or turn brown, which means we can enjoy them for longer without worrying about their quality. By offering crops that are more resistant to insects, GMOs enable farmers to protect their plants without resorting to excessive pesticide use. This benefits not only the farmers but also the ecosystem and our own health. GMOs even have the potential to thrive in harsh climates, such as regions prone to drought or extreme heat. Imagine a future where crops can grow and thrive in environments where they once struggled. This opens up opportunities for agricultural practices in areas that were previously considered unsuitable for cultivation. Ultimately, the advantages of GMOs extend beyond our plates. They contribute to lower costs for consumers, ensuring that more people can access quality food. They empower farmers to overcome challenges and increase their yields, helping to address issues of food scarcity and poverty. The potential of GMOs to revolutionize the way we produce and consume food is truly exciting, and as we continue to explore this field, it's important to approach it with thoughtful consideration and ongoing research. Nevertheless, concerns persist regarding potential risks associated with GMOs. Genetically engineering foods is a relatively new practice, and the long-term safety effects are still not fully understood. Concerns about the disadvantages of GMOs often revolve around potential risks to human health, even though no conclusive evidence of harm has been found so far. One concern is the possibility of allergic reactions. If a genetic modification triggers the production of an allergen, there is a small risk that GMO foods could cause an allergic reaction in susceptible individuals. However, strict guidelines are in place to prevent the use of genes from allergens unless proven safe. Another concern is the suggestion that GMO foods could contribute to cancer development by increasing levels of potentially carcinogenic substances. However, scientific consensus and evidence from the American Cancer Society indicate that currently available GMO foods do not increase or reduce the risk of cancer. There are also concerns about GMOs contributing to antibiotic resistance. While it is theoretically possible for genes from GMOs to transfer to humans or animals and lead to antibiotic resistance, the likelihood is very small, and guidelines are in place to prevent such risks. Some have raised fears that GMO foods could cause changes in human DNA or impact organs such as the liver, kidney, pancreas, and reproductive system. However, current research does not support these claims, and there is no evidence that GMO foods have any significant impact on genetic makeup or overall human health. Furthermore, the use of GMO crops can actually reduce the risk of toxicity by enabling farmers to avoid the use of harmful pesticides. While concerns exist, regulatory bodies and scientific organizations closely monitor the safety of GMO foods. Ongoing research continues to assess any potential risks associated with GMOs to ensure their safety and address any emerging issues. To sum it all up, GMOs might not be the best way to eat, but there is a yet. Excuse my positive affirmation, but I'm sure that in the future, they would ever come up with a pill or powder that would contain an entirety of a balanced meal and still be perfectly organic. Thanks for watching.